Hello students, in this lecture we study about trigonometric equations and inequations. Okay, students, first I recall you what we done in last lecture. Okay, yeah, recall we done in last lecture some transformation formulas, okay, and then some conditional identities. Okay, then some conditional identities. Okay, means that identity that you can check in, you can see previous lecture, or you have to remember, you must have to remember what we done in previous class. Okay, this identity, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Okay, and what is their condition? Condition is a plus b plus c is pi. Okay, so we done last class this. Okay, now in this class we learn about trigonometric equations and inequations. Let's start. Okay, students. So what is our C? What is we done? We do trigonometric equations. Okay, yeah, trigonometric in equations. First is sin theta is equal to 0. Okay, we know sin 0 here, only on this line. Okay, and this line theta is 0 pi, okay, 2 pi, this is 3 pi, 4 pi, okay, 5 pi, same as it is. Okay, means multiples, integer multiples of pi, then this it implies theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to integer. Okay, yeah, then second is cos theta is equal to 0. We know cos theta is 0 by here on this axis, y axis, and this is pi by 2, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 5 pi by 2, this is 7 pi by 2, and so on. Means it implies theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, students, and where n belongs to integers. Okay, then our third is cos theta is 1. Okay, then we know cos theta is 1 where? Only here, only positive side of x-axis. Here is 0, 2 pi, 4 pi. Okay, then this is theta is 2n pi, where n belongs to what? Integer. Okay, student. Then fourth is cos theta is minus 1. We know cos theta is minus 1 here, means pi on 3 pi on 5 pi. This is what? Theta is 2n plus 1 into pi. Okay. Then our next is sin theta is 1. We know sin theta is 1 where? Only here on pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, okay, 7 pi by 2. Then this is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. And if sin theta is minus 1, then what we get? Theta is what we get? Sin theta is minus 1. Then we know here sin is minus only here, means 3 pi by 2. Okay, then 7 pi by 2, this one. Okay, then this is theta is 2n minus 1 to pi by 2. Okay, students, then this is our inequation. This is our equation, trigonometric equations. Sine function is equal to some constant or some other sine function or trigonometric function, and this is solution, means value of theta is solution. Okay, now we do some questions based on this. Okay, students, then what is our first question? First is if sine theta is 1 upon root 2. Okay, students, and cos theta is minus 1 upon root 2. Okay, then find general values of theta. Then find general values of theta. Okay, students, let's we take by on graph system. This is our plane, and let this is a circle. We know its coordinate are cos theta and sin theta. we know a P point on this circle. Here coordinates are cos theta and sin theta. Okay, students, 1 minute. Cos theta, sin theta. Okay, then here cos is negative and sin is positive. Here are only one option because here sin and cos both positive. Here both negative. Here cos positive but sin negative. So this quadrant cancel, this cancel, this cancel. Only this quadrant where sin is positive and cos is negative. Okay, and we know sin theta is 1 upon root 2 where this 135 degree. Okay, then this angle becomes what? 3 pi upon 4. Okay, and here this coordinate is cos theta and sin theta. Okay, students, means this value is 3 pi upon 4. Okay, then if we take another circle, this, then this becomes 3 pi upon 4 plus 2 pi, means this value is 2n pi plus 3 pi upon 4. Okay, theta is this. Okay, students, yeah, 2n pi plus 3 pi upon 4, where n belongs to z, integer. Are you understand? Yeah, means this is the general value, then another circle comes, then means 2n pi plus 3 pi upon 4 is the general solution, and the principal solution, then this becomes 3 pi upon 4. Okay, then we do next question. What is our next question is? Next question is what? Sine 3x is equal to 0. X belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, we have to solve this equation. Sine 3x 0 means sine, we know what we know. If sine x is equal to 0, we know if sine x is equal to 0, then x is type of n pi. Okay, students. Then here sine 3x is equal to 0, then 3x must be type of n pi, means x is equal to n pi upon 3. Okay, then n can be 0 because n belongs to integer. Okay, then n becomes 0. If n becomes 1, then x is pi upon 3. N becomes 2, then this is 2 pi upon 3. N becomes 3, this is pi. Okay, if we take n is 4, then 4 pi upon 3, that is not belongs to this one. Okay, student. Then there are 4 values of x: 0, pi upon 3, 2 pi upon 3, and pi. Okay, students. Remember this, sin x is equal to 0 when x is equal to n pi, because this is our graph system, only this axis. This axis is n pi axis. Okay, n pi axis sin x is equal to 0. Okay, students. Then we do next question. Yeah. What is our next question is? Sin x plus cos x. This is equal to 0. Okay, students. When x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, students. Then we know what we know. Sin x. 1 minute. No, this is sin x plus. Sorry, student. This is sin x plus sin 3x. Okay, this is not plus cos x, this is sin 3x. Sin 3x. Okay, then apply here sin c plus sin d. This is 2 sin c plus d by 2, means x plus 3x upon 2. This is 4x upon 2, and 4x upon 2 is 2x. And this is sin c plus, and cos c minus d by 2, means x minus 3x, this is minus 2x, and divided by 2, this is minus x. But we know cos of minus x is cos x, then this simply cos x is equal to 0. Okay, then what here? Either sin 2x is equal to 0 or cos x is equal to 0. Okay, there are only two possibilities, if this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Then here 2x is equal to n pi. Okay, and here x is equal to what? 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, or n pi by 2. You choose. 1 minute. This can be n pi by 2. Okay, n pi by 2, where n belongs to integer. Okay, students. Then here x can be n pi by upon 2. Okay, n pi upon 2, and this is also x is n pi upon 2. This means n is 0, then x is equal to 0. N is 1, then this becomes pi by 2. If n becomes 2, then this becomes pi. This is 3 pi upon 2. N becomes 4, then this is 2 pi. Only these values of possible x. Okay, student, means on these values, this satisfies. Okay, yeah. Then we do next question. Next question is C part. Cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 0, and theta belongs to 0 to 4 pi. Okay, students. Then cos square theta is 1. If we solve this equation, cos square theta is 1, then what are the possible values of cos theta? Cos theta either 1 or cos theta is minus 1. Okay, students. Then what are the possible values of cos theta? That is, cos theta is 1. Then theta becomes in 0 to 4 pi. Then only 0, no, yeah, 0, 2 pi and 4 pi. Only three possibilities. Okay. And what are here? Here are the possibilities. Theta can be 0, not 0, 1 minute. This is pi and 3 pi. Okay. This is pi and 3 pi. Here is or, then theta can be 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, pi and 3 pi. Okay. On these values, cos square theta is cos square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, student. Then this is our solution. Possible values of theta in 0 to 4 pi. That satisfies cos square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, students. Then we do our next question. What is our next question? 1 minute. Our next question is question sine cube theta cos theta, okay, minus cos cube theta sine theta. This is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, then we have to solve this equation. Then take sine square theta, no, sine theta cos theta, take common. Then what we get here? Sine square theta, and this is minus cos square theta. Okay, then this becomes 1 upon 4. Okay, then multiply by here 2 and also here 2. Okay, this is 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta, and sine square theta minus cos square theta is minus of cos 2 theta. Okay, then here is minus cos 2 theta. This becomes half 1 upon 2. Okay, then this becomes 2 into sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. Okay, then this minus on RHS minus 1. Then this becomes sine 4 theta is minus 1. Okay, then 4 theta is what? 4 theta can be 2n minus 1 into pi upon 2. Then theta becomes 2n minus 1 upon into pi upon 8. Okay, so these are the possibilities of theta. Theta is 2n minus 1 into pi upon 8. Okay, what we do? We nothing. We take first common sine theta cos theta, and inside remains sine square theta minus cos square theta, because here sine square theta, here cos square theta. Then here multiply both sides by 2. Then 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta, and this becomes minus cos 2 theta. Then again here 2 is cross multiplication here and minus 1 here. Then this becomes 2 sine theta 2 theta cos 2 theta is sine 4 theta. That is equal to minus 1. Then we know sine theta is minus, where only this negative y axis. Okay, then this becomes 2n minus 1 into pi by 2, and here we get theta. Okay, students. Then we do next question. 1 minute. No, we do next. What is our next are some results. Okay, students, some results. Here are the mainly 4 results. First is, if sine theta is equal to sine alpha, if this happens, then what is the relation between theta and alpha? Theta is n pi plus minus 1 into power n into alpha. Okay, students, where n belongs to integer. Okay, yeah. And what is our next is cos theta is equal to cos alpha. What are the possibilities? What are the relation between theta and alpha? Then theta is 2n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, student. Then our next is C part. C part is, if tangent theta is equal to tangent alpha, then what is the relation between theta and alpha? Theta is n pi plus alpha. Okay, and second is, if sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha. Okay, or cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. or tangent square theta is equal to tangent square alpha. Okay, this implies what is the relation between theta and alpha? Theta is n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, students, these are the most important result. Only if you want to learn about trigonometric equations, then you must know these identities. Okay, without these identities you can't do anything in trigonometric equations. Okay, students, let's do question based on these identities. Okay, let's first do question first question. Okay, yeah, question is solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Okay, students, solve the following equations. What is our first is? First is cos of x is minus half. Okay, students, x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, students, then we know cos is negative only this second and third quadrant. Then we choose cos x is equal to cos 2 pi upon 3, because cos 2 pi upon 3 is minus half. Then what is the relation between x and 2 pi by 3? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi upon 3. Okay, where n belongs to integer. Okay, students, then what are the value of x? X can be what? Tell me. Yeah, this is the general solution. Why? Because cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then we know theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Then similar way, I will solve this. Okay. Then our second question is same statement. Solve the following equations. Okay. Then second is cos of 2x plus cos of 4x. Okay. This is equal to 2 cos x. Okay. Solve this. Okay, students. Then apply here CD formula. Cos c plus cos t. We know cos c plus cos t is 2 cos c plus d by 2, means 2x plus 4x divided by 2. This is 6x by 2. This is 3x. Okay. And cos of c minus d upon 2 means 2x minus 4x is minus 2x. Upon 2, this is minus x. But we know what we know. Cos of minus x is cos x. Okay. Then here is cos x is equal to 2 cos x. Okay. Then here cancel this cancel and 2 cancel by 2. Then what we get? We get cos 3x is equal to 1. But remember, x can't be pi by 2, because if x is pi by 2, then we can't cancel cos x by cos x. Okay. Then here 3x, 1 minute. Yeah. We know cos 3x is equal to 1 is where cos 0 is 1, we know. Okay. Then 3x is equal to 2n pi plus minus 0. Okay. Then x becomes 2n pi upon 3. Okay, students. This is our solution where n belongs to integer. Okay, why? Because cos theta is equal to cos alpha. It implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Here alpha is 0 degree. Okay, so I write x is equal to 2n pi upon 3. And here apply ICT formula, cos c plus cos d. What is this? 2 cos c plus dy 2 into cos c minus dy 2. Okay, students. In this way, we solve another question. Okay. And what is our next question? Next question is cos 4x. Okay. Cos 4x is cos x. Okay, students. We have to solve this equation. We know, 1 minute, not cos 4x is cos x. There is cos 4x is sin x. Okay, sin x. Then solve. Can we write sin x is cos of pi by 2 minus x? Can we write? Yeah, because cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Then we can write. Then apply here cos theta is cos alpha. Then what is theta is 2n pi plus minus pi by 2 minus x. Okay, students. Then we once we take plus and once we take minus, then what we get if we take plus? 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus x. Okay, student. Then this we get minus here 5x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. Okay. Then it implies x is equal to 2n pi upon 5 plus pi upon 10. Okay. And what if we take minus? Then 4x is equal to 2n pi. This is minus, and minus minus is plus. Here minus, then minus goes inside. This is plus. Okay. Then this becomes 3x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. Then x becomes 2n pi upon 3 minus pi upon 6. Okay. These two values of x are possible where n belongs to integer. Okay, students. We do nothing. This is cos theta is equal to cos alpha. We apply theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. This is alpha. Okay. And we solve. Okay, students. Then our next question is B part. What is the next question? 3 cos square theta. Okay. Minus 4 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Then solve this. Let cos theta is equal to, let something t. Okay. Then solve by t. Then this becomes 3t square minus 4t plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Then what are the possible values of t? T can be minus b means 4 plus minus under the root of b square. B means 4 minus 4ac, that is 12 upon 2a. 2a means 6. This becomes 4 plus minus 2 upon 6. Then t can be 4 plus 2, this is 1, and t can be 4 minus 2, this is 2 upon 6, 1 upon 3. Okay. Then cos theta can be 1 and cos theta can be 1 upon 3. Okay, students. Yeah, cos theta can be 1 and cos theta can be 1 upon 3. Then what if cos theta is equal to 1? Okay. What if cos theta is equal to 1? Can we write cos theta is equal to cos 0? Yeah. Then theta is equal to 2n pi. Okay. Plus minus 0. This is equal to 2n pi where n belongs to integer. Okay. And this is cos theta is, can we write cos inverse 1, cos inverse 1 upon 3. Okay. This is inverse trigonometry function. We learn in next 2 or 3 videos. We learn about inverse trigonometry. First, you only see what is cos inverse. Okay. Then this is alpha is cos inverse 3. Cos inverse 1 upon 3. Then theta is 2n pi plus minus alpha. Okay. Where alpha is this and n belongs to integer. Okay, students. So these are the solution of these. Cos x is this equation 3 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. First is theta is equal to 2n pi and second is theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, where alpha is cos inverse 1 upon 3. Okay, students. Now we do another question. Yeah. What is our next question? Next question is question 5 cos 2x. Okay. 5 cos of 2x. Okay. 5 cos 2x plus 2 cos square x by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, student, this is our question. Then first we change this into x and this also in x, because angle are different, so we can't solve it. We must angle same. Then this is 5. What is cos 2x? This is 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay. And we know cos square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2 is 1 plus cos x. Okay. Then change by 1 plus cos x. This becomes 1 plus cos x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Then what this implies? This implies tan of cos square x minus tan cos square x minus 5 plus 1 plus cos x plus 1. Okay. This is equal to 0. Then what we get? Tan cos square x plus cos x and minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Put same we do same steps. Cos x is equal to t. Then what we get? Tan t square plus t minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, students. Then what we get here? T is equal to what we get? T is half and minus 3. Let's see how it is, how we find value of t. Then t is minus b plus minus under the root of b square minus 4ac means 120 upon 2a. 2a means 10 into 2, this is 20. Then this becomes minus 1 plus minus 11 upon 20. Okay, if we take plus, then we get 1 upon 2. And if we take minus, then this becomes minus 3 upon 5. Okay, students. So, cos theta is equal to, means cos x. Sorry, here is cos x. Cos x is, can be half, or cos x can be minus of 3 upon 5. Okay, half is simple and this is also simple. What we do know? We know cos x is equal to half, means cos pi upon 3. Can we write? Yes. Then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is pi upon 3. Okay. Where n belongs to integer. And how we do know? With this, can we write here this? Cos of cos inverse minus 3 upon 5. Okay, let this is alpha. Alpha is cos inverse minus 3 upon 5. Then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to integer and alpha is this. Alpha is cos inverse minus 3 upon 5. Then we get two values. Okay, and what we nothing do in this question, we only use this identity cos 2x and half angle formula. Okay, and then solve as previous question and get the value of t. T is equal to half or minus 3 upon 5. Okay, students. Then cos x, t what? What is t? T is cos x. Then cos x is equal to half or cos x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Then we solve these both the equations and get solution. Okay, students. Then what is our next question is? Next question is solve. Solve. What we have to solve? We have to solve. What is our question? Question is solve sin x plus sin y. Okay, this is equal to 1. And our second is cos 2x minus cos 2y is equal to 1. Okay, these are our two equations. We have to solve this. Okay, then apply here. Take cos of 2x minus cos of 2y is equal to 1. Okay, this is given x. What is value of cos 2x? Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Because cos 2 theta is we know 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. So we only use this. And here is minus of 1 minus 2 sin square y. Okay. This is equal to 1. Then what we get? We get sin square of y minus 2 into sin square of y minus sin square of x. Okay, this is equal to 1. Okay, student. Then sin square y minus sin square x, this is equal to half. Okay, then this implies sin of a square minus b square, this is a plus b. Okay, and a minus b. A minus b means sin y minus sin x. This is equal to half. And we know sin x plus sin y is 1. Then what is the value of sin y minus sin x? Sin y minus sin x is equal to half, because this is 1. This is 1. Okay, so this is half. Then add this and this 1 and this 2. Add 1 and 2 we get, add 1 and 2 we get, what we get? 2 sin y is equal to 2 sin y is equal to 1 plus half. This is 3 upon 2. This implies sin y is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. Sin y is equal to 3 upon 4. 1 minute, students. This is we do. Yeah, what we get? We get sin y is equal to 3 upon 4. Can we write this way? Sin y is equal to sin of sin inverse 3 upon 4. Sin y is equal to sin of sin inverse 3 upon 4. Okay, because we learn in inverse trigonometry that sin of sin inverse x is equal to x. Okay, this is our identity. Then this is also 3 upon 4. Then apply sin x is equal to sin y. Okay, sin x is equal to sin alpha. Then x is equal to what? X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 into power n alpha. Alpha is sin inverse 3 upon 4. Okay, where n belongs to integer. So this is our solution of the equations. Okay, y is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n sin inverse 3 upon 4. We nothing do. We only apply here half an multiple angle formula. Okay, cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x, and cos 2y similarly 1 minus 2 sin square y. Okay, students. Then we do next. First is recall. Recall. What is recall? A sin theta plus b cos theta. Okay, plus b cos theta. This is expressing in terms of sine only. In terms of sine only. Sine only means under the root of a square plus b square multiply and divide, we get a upon under the root of a square plus b square. This is sine theta plus b upon under the root of a square plus b square. This is cos theta. Okay. Then this is equal to under the root of a square plus b square sine of alpha plus theta. Okay, alpha plus theta. Where tangent alpha is, what is value of tangent alpha is b upon a. Okay, tangent alpha is b upon a. This is the formula of only sine of alpha plus theta. Okay, students. Then then in cos only, this becomes under the root of a square plus b square upon a upon under the root of a square plus b square sine theta plus b upon under the root of a square plus b square cos theta. Okay, this becomes under the root of a square plus b square into cos of theta minus alpha. Okay, where tangent alpha is what? Tangent alpha is what? A upon b. Okay, yeah. So this a sin theta plus b cos theta we use in sine and cos. Okay, yeah. This form is cosine only and this is only sine only. Okay, now we do question based on that. Okay, students. Yeah. Then our first question is find the general solution of general solution of first is under the root 3 sin x. Okay, sin x plus cos x is equal to 1. We have to find the solution of this one. Okay, then either you change in cos only or sin. Okay, then multiply and divide by a under the root of a square plus b square. Here a is root 3 and b is 1. Okay, then under the root of a square plus b square is under the root of 3 plus 1 is 4, that is 2. Okay, then multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Then what we had? Root 3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 cos x. Okay, this is equal to 1. Then this becomes put root 3 upon 2 is what? Root 3 upon 2 is sine of pi upon 3. Okay, and this is cos pi upon 3. Then this becomes sine pi upon 3 sin x plus cos pi 3 cos x. Then what is this? This is cos of x minus pi upon 3. Okay, and this half is here 1 upon 2. Then cos 1 upon 2 is what? Cos of pi upon 3. Okay, then x cos theta is cos alpha. Then what we get? X is equal theta is equal to 2 n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is pi upon 3. Okay, then once we take negative and once we take positive. Okay, then x is equal to 2 n pi plus minus pi upon 3 plus pi upon 3. Okay, then x is equal to, if we take plus, then 2 n pi plus 2 pi upon 3, and if we take minus, then this becomes 2 n pi. Okay, where n belongs to integer. These are both the solutions of the equation. Equation is what? Root 3 sin x plus cos x is equal to 1. We do first find under the root of square plus b square, that is 2. Then multiply by 2n divided by 2, and then change this format into cosine only. Okay, then cos of x minus pi by 3, and here half. We know cos pi by 3 is half, then half can be written as cos pi by 3, and apply cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, so and we find the solution. Okay, then our next question is, 1 minute. Next question is B. Cos of x minus sin of x is equal to 1. Okay, then here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to also 1. Then find a square plus b square. That is under the root of 1 plus 1, that is root 2. Okay, then multiply and divide by root 2. Then what we get? Root 2 into 1 upon root 2 cos x minus 1 upon root 2 sin x. Okay, then here is 1. Then we know this is cos pi upon 4 and this is also sin pi upon 4. Okay, then what we get? Root 2 cos pi upon 4 cos x minus sin pi upon 4 sin x. Okay, this is equal to 1, and this root 2 comes here, then this root 2 comes in RHS, then this becomes 1 upon root 2. Okay, then this is formula of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is cos of A plus B, means pi by 4 plus x, and this is equal to 1 upon root 2 is what? Cos pi upon 4. Okay, then apply cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is what? Pi upon 4. Okay, then solve this. If we take plus, once x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi upon 4 minus pi upon 4. Okay, when we take plus, then we get 2n pi, and when we get minus, then 2n pi minus pi upon 2. Okay, where n belongs to integer. Okay, students, remember that cos theta is equal to cos alpha. It implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, this is the identity. Yeah. Then our next question is, 1 minute here. Our next question is, find the general solution of secant x plus tangent x is equal to root 3. Okay, students. Then convert secant and tangent into cos and sine. Then we know secant x is 1 upon cos x plus tangent x is sin x upon cos x. This is equal to root 3. Okay, students. Then what we get? We get 1 plus sin x upon cos x. Okay, this is equal to root 3. Then this implies 1 plus sin x is equal to root 3 cos x. Okay, students. Then take sin x in RHS, then what we get? Under the root 3 cos x minus sin x is equal to 1. Here a is root 3 and b is 1. Then what is a square plus b square? This is 3 plus 4, and this is under the root of 3 plus 1. This is 4. This is 2. Okay, means multiply and divide by 2. Okay, then what we get? Here multiply and divide by 2. Okay, then 2 into under the root 3 upon 2 cos x minus half of sin x. This is equal to 1. Okay, yeah, then what we get? 1 minute. This. Then 2 into under root 3 upon 2, put this is cos of pi upon 6, and this is sin of pi upon 6. Okay, put here. Then cos pi upon 6 cos x minus sin pi upon 6 sin x. Okay, this is equal to 1. Then this becomes, this is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is equal to cos of a plus b, means cos of pi upon 6 plus x. Okay, and 2 here comes 1 upon 2, and this is equal to cos of pi upon 3. Okay, then cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is 2n pi plus minus alpha, means pi upon 6 plus x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is pi upon 3. Okay, students, then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi upon 3 minus pi upon 6. Okay students, then once take this is positive and once is negative, then when we take positive, this becomes plus pi upon 3 minus pi upon 6. This becomes 2n pi plus pi upon 6. Okay, and when we take negative, we get 2n pi minus pi upon 3 minus pi upon 6. This becomes pi by 2 minus pi upon 2. These are the two solutions where n belongs to integer. Okay, so we do in this question only first convert this cos x and sin x and then apply here same method. Okay, we get root 3 cos x minus sin x is equal to 1. Then apply same procedure and we get solution. Okay students, then our next is find the number of 1 minute. Yeah, our next is find the number of integral values of k. Find the number of integral values of k. Integral values of k. Okay, for which the following equations have solution. Okay, then what is our first is? First is 2 sin x is equal to k plus 1. Okay student, this is our first equation. 2 sin x is equal to k plus 1. Okay, then we know sin x is less than equal to less than equal to 1. Okay, 1 minute. Less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to minus 1. Then 2 sin x is less than 2 and greater than minus 2. Okay, then 2 sin x is what? K plus 1. Then k plus 1 is less than 2 and greater than minus 2. Then what are the possible values of k? K can be 0. Okay, k can be 1. Okay, k can be minus 1. But all over only 3 values possible. Okay, because students, 1 minute. Here is 2 sin x. Yeah, this is k plus 1. But we have to find value of k. 1 minute. This is solve for k. Then subtract both side minus 1. Then here k, here 1 and here is minus 3. Okay, then k can be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Here 5 values of k possible. Okay, for which solution exists. Okay, 5 values of k. Then our second part is, what is our second part? Second part is 7 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay, this is equal to 2k plus. We have to solve this. Okay, yeah. Then this is equal to a cos x plus b sin x format. Then we know it equal a sin x plus b cos x. This is less than equal to under the root of a square plus b square and greater than is minus under the root of a square plus b square. Okay, then 7 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay, this is less than equal to 7 square, that is 49 plus here is 5 sin x. Okay, then this is 25 and here minus of 49 plus 25. Okay, then this becomes under the root of 74. This is minus and 7 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay, this is less than 74. 7 under the root of 74 means 8 point something. Okay, then this is what? 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 is less than under the root of 74 and greater than minus under the root of 74. Okay students, then subtract 1 from both sides. Then this becomes 2k. This is 74 minus 1 and this is minus under the root of 74 minus 1. Okay, and then divide by 2. And this becomes minus of 74 minus 1 upon 2 and this becomes under the root of 74 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, then this becomes 7. This integer value is 7 and this integer value is minus 9. Okay, then k can be, what are the possible values of k? K is equal to 1 minute students, this is no. Here this is minus 9 and this is 7. Okay, but when we divide by 2, this is divided by 2, then this is equal to 3 and this is equal to 4. Okay, means here is k is greater than 4 and less than 3. Okay, k is greater than minus 4 and less than 3. Then k can be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 or 3. Okay, these are the possible values of k for which equation have solution. Okay students, we apply only this one result, this one, a sin x plus b cos x. Okay, this is less than under the root of a square plus b square and greater than minus of under the root of a square plus b square. Okay students, now we do another question. Okay, what is our another question? 1 minute. Yeah, our next question is sin x plus cos x. Question is sin x plus cos x. Okay, this is equal to sin 2x minus y. Okay, we know sin 2x is equal to sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay, and this is minus 1. Okay, this is the value of sin 2x. Then put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. In all the question, if sin 2x and sin x plus cos x, then put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Okay, remember it. If in a question both sin x plus cos terms exist and sin 2x exist, then put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Then what is t? Sin 2x is, this is t square minus 1, then this is t square minus 1 and here is minus 1 also. Okay, then what we get? We get t square, this t square, this minus t and minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, find the value of t. Then t becomes, what t becomes? Minus 1 minus b plus minus under the root of b square minus 4s. This is 8 upon 2. Okay, then this becomes 1 plus minus 3 upon 2. Then t can be, if we take plus then 2 and if we take minus then minus. Okay, these are the two values, t is equal to 2 and t is equal to minus 1. Okay, then what if t is equal to 2? Then what is t? T is sin x. What is t? Sin x plus cos x. Then it can be 2 or it can be minus 1. Sin x plus cos x is minus 1. Okay, then solve these equation. How we solve equation? This 1 upon root 2. Okay, multiply and divide by root 2. Then this becomes cos or sine function. Okay, let's solve this. Then multiply root 2 here and divide also root 2. Okay, then what we get? And here also root 2 upon root 2. Okay, then this root 2 here and 1 upon root 2 and multiply by inside. Okay, sin x plus 1 upon root 2 cos x. Okay, this is equal to 2 upon root 2, means here 2 and this is 1, this is 2 and this is root 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 sin x, then plus 1 upon root 2, this is cos x. Okay students, then this is equal to minus 1. Then if you solve these, then what we get? This is, put this is cos pi upon 4 and this is sin pi upon 4. Then we get, this is sine of pi by 4 plus x. Why? Because sin pi by 4 sin x, cos pi by 4 sin x plus sin pi by 4 cos x. This is sine of pi by 4 plus x. And this is equal to 1 upon root 2. And similarly here, if we put this cos pi by 4 and this is sin pi by 4, then we get, this is sine of pi by 4 plus x and this is equal to minus of 1 upon root 2. Okay students, then 1 minute here. Okay, this is not 1 upon root 2, this is root 2 only. Okay, this is root 2 because if 2 divided by root 2, then we get root 2. Here root 2. Okay, so this terms cancels. 1 minute. Yeah, this terms Okay, students, then this can't be happen. Why? Because sin x range is -1 to 1, plus 1 to minus. Okay, and this is, we know this is 1.4 something. Then this can't happen. This is no. Then this only. Then this is sine of pi by 4 plus x, and this is sine of, can we write 1 upon root 2 is pi plus pi upon 4, that is 5 pi. Okay, then x can be, x is equal to, if sine x is equal to sine alpha, then x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 into power n alpha. Alpha is 5 pi. Okay, and similarly we get find the value of x. Okay, students, so our x is this, here minus pi upon 4 this. Okay, you can solve easily. Okay, so what we use in this question, we use here this formula only. If sine 2x and sine x plus cos x come simultaneously, then put sine x plus cos x is equal to t. Okay, and solve the equations. Okay, students, then our next question is, 1 minute. Our next is observation. Okay, next is observation. Next is observation. What is observation? Observation is, yeah, what is observation? Observation is how to do we solve a homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation means degree is same. Degree is same. Okay, not two. Degree is same of denominator and numerator. Okay, degree is same. Degree is same. Let this is x square plus xy, okay, upon y square minus xy. Okay, this is here 2, here 1 plus 1 is 2, here 2, here 2. Okay, then we by y upon x. Okay, put y upon x is t. Then we solve the following. Okay, yeah. Then our first question is based on homogeneous. What is our first question? First question is solve 2 sine square x. Okay, 2 sine square x minus 5 of sine x cos x. Okay, and minus 8 cos square x. This is equal to -2. Okay, students, then we have to solve this. Then this is homogeneous equation. If we multiply here sine square x plus cos square x. Okay, we can multiply because here sine square x plus cos square is 1. Then this is homogeneous equation of degree 2. Then then divide by cos square x whole the equation. Then what we get? 1 minute. Yeah. Then divide the whole equation by cos square x. Then what we get? 2 sine square x upon cos square x. Okay, cos square x minus 5 sin x cos x upon cos square x. Okay, minus 8 cos square x upon cos square x. Okay, this is equal to minus 2 sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, and this is plus cos square x upon cos square x. Okay, yeah. Then what we get? Sine, this is sine upon cos is tangent square x. Okay, this is 5. This cancel by this 5. Sine upon cos is tangent x. Okay, minus 8. This is equal to minus 2 into tangent square x plus 1. Okay, let's reordering this. What we get? 4 tangent square x minus 5 tangent x. Okay, and minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, students, then put tangent x is equal to t. Okay, then put tangent x is equal to t. Okay, what we get? 4t square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of t? T is minus b, means plus 5 plus minus under the root of b square minus 4ac. 4ac means this. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, 4ac means what? Students, here is not minus 6, here is plus 6. Okay, yeah, here is, this is minus 6, not plus 6. Yeah, this is minus 6. Okay, then what we get? This is 6 into 4 into 2. Okay, that is 48 and divided by 8. Then this becomes minus 5 plus minus under the root of 13, and this is 7. Okay, 1 minute students. We will not solve by this method. We will solve direct. Okay, direct factor. What are the direct factor? Okay, 4t square minus 5t minus 6. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. What are the direct factors? Then can we write here this 4t square and here minus 8t plus 3t minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, then here 4t common, this is t minus t 2, and here 3t minus 2 is 0. Okay, then here is value t is 2 or t is minus 3 upon 4. Okay, then what is t? T is our tangent x. Okay, then tangent x can be 2 or tangent x can be minus 3 upon 4. Okay, students, then we solve simply this. How? Here we can write tangent x is equal to tangent of tangent inverse 2. Okay, tangent inverse 2, and simply here tangent x is equal to tangent of tangent inverse minus 3 upon 4. Okay, this is inverse trigonometry we do in a few days. Okay, yeah. Then we know tangent x is equal to tangent alpha, then x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay, then x is equal to n pi plus tangent inverse of 2. Okay, and here simply x is equal to n pi plus tangent inverse of minus 3 upon 4. Okay, students, so we stop this lecture by. Okay, thank you, students.